Hi everyone, welcome to my new vlog. Today we're going to be looking at how Jaguar is pulling Tata Motors down. Let's get started. If you look at the sales of GLR as a whole, the contribution of Jaguar is very less. In terms of sales, Land Rover contributes almost 70% of the entire sales of GLR, whereas Jaguar only contributes about 20%. There are various reasons for this, and let's decode them. Tata Motors bought Jaguar and Land Rover for $2.3 billion in 2008. It was a very good deal for Tata Motors since the $2.3 billion which Tata Motors paid was actually less than what Ford paid for it. So Tata Motors worked really hard to improve JLR. So they appointed various consultancy firms such as KPMG and RPS to improve the cash management system. Motors infused a lot of cash into JLR and they launched a lot of fuel efficient and new models such as the Jaguar XE, the F-Pace, etc. And they were doing fine, but they're really struggling now. The reasons why Jaguar is struggling so much is because of its reliability issues. In terms of reliability, Jaguar is definitely behind its rivals such as Mercedes, or Lexus or BMW for example. In fact, the head of Jaguar in 2021 himself admitted that the sales of Jaguar is decreasing by more than 1 lakh units every year due to reliability issues. According to various reports, Jaguar is actually more reliable than Land Rovers, but still Land Rovers outsell Jaguars by a huge amount every year. The main reason of this is the change in trend. Everyone wants to go for SUVs nowadays instead of sedans. Trend of SUVs right now is very heavy and the competition definitely has an edge over Jaguar when it comes to SUVs like BMW or Mercedes for example. Yes, Jaguar too has its own SUV models like the F-Pace, I-Pace and E-Pace, but it's definitely not close to the competition. Competitors of Jaguar such as Mercedes and BMW not only have more SUV models than Jaguar, but they're also present in the SUV space from a very long time. And people who do want to buy a SUV from the JLR space do end up buying more Land Rovers than Jaguars. Since Jaguar is more of a sedan brand than a SUV brand, the sales of JLR were dented during the Volkswagen emissions scandal that happened. Actually, most of the JLR cars had diesel engines in them, and during that time, during the emissions scandal, everyone was really disappointed about diesel engines, and as a result, their sales decreased. One more big and important factor why JLR sales are decreasing is because of its price. If you have noticed, Jaguar's price is often much higher than the competition such as Audi or BMW for example, and the chip shortage has made matters even more worse. In conclusion, I would like to say that Jaguar is an amazing brand and its driving dynamics, style and features is no less than the competitors such as BMW. This brand definitely has a future and it can be definitely revived under Tata Motors. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to this channel and give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.